In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Wix form email notifications. If you want to make sure the right people are alerted every time someone submits a form on your Wix site, this process is straightforward once you know where to look. We'll walk through it carefully so you can update the notification recipients without changing anything else by mistake. Start by going to your Wix site dashboard and selecting the site you want to manage. This is important if you have more than one site in your account, since form settings are handled separately for each one. Once you are inside the correct dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click Customer and Leads. From there, select Forms and Submissions. This area lets you view the forms connected to your site and manage what happens when someone sends in a response. Next, find the form you want to update from the list. When you see the correct form, click the three-dot icon next to it to open More Actions. In that menu, choose Form Notifications. This takes you to the notification settings connected to that specific form. After that, go into Notifications and Automations and click Edit next to the automation called New Submission Received for Contact. This will open the Automations panel where Wix controls what happens after a visitor submits the form. Inside the automation, click on the Send an Email action and then select Edit. This is where you can adjust who receives the notification email. Scroll down until you see the option to show additional settings and click that to expand more controls. Then click Edit next to Recipients. Under Contacts, check the Contacts box from the drop-down menu here. You can add or update the contacts or collaborators who should receive submission alerts. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the right recipients, especially if multiple team members help manage inquiries. This helps prevent missed leads or confusion about who is supposed to respond. Once everything looks correct, click Apply to activate your changes. That saves the updated recipient settings so future submissions will go to the people you selected. And that's it. Thanks for watching.